This 2017 Jaguar F-Pace is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Jaguar F-Pace 35T Prestige Odd Black Design Package 20 QUOT, Venom Contrast Wheels, Gloss Black Grille and Grille Surround, Gloss Black Side Power Vent, Gloss Black Window Surround, Heated Windshield, Meridian Premium Sound System, Navigation System, Rear View Camera, Panoramic Sunroof, Xenon Headlamps, Bluetooth Phone, Bluetooth Media 3.0 LV6, Supercharged Engine, 8-speed Automatic Transmission, Keyless and Tri-Keyless Start, Cruise Control, Power Windows, Power Door Locks, Ammonite Gray Exterior, Espresso, Latte with Espresso Stitching, Interior on Wears Manual, 2 sets of keys, Floor mats, Original window sticker under Jaguar Factory Warranty. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detailed walk-around. We hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2017 Jaguar F-Pace Prestige AWD Coupe is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.